Can you search someone by NGL ID or username in NGL app? So if you want to know that if you can search someone by NGL ID or their username in their NGL app, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your NGL application and make sure that you've logged into your account and you've connected to your Instagram. Once done, you'll see an interface like this. Now, as you can see that there is nowhere an option that you'll find to search for the username. Now let's head to the settings option, which will be in the top right, and see if it's available there. Now, as you can see that you will have all of these options right here, and you can simply follow the person on Instagram, or simply follow the Instagram of that person that you are interested in. If the person shares a link, that only you can send messages to them through Instagram. Now to send messages, you can go with the settings option and then tap on the help, which will be right here under the more section. You need to go with I need help and state your problem and send it to NGO. They will provide you with feedback which might solve your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.